Electrophilic substitution reactions in amine. You have already read in earlier that aniline has a resonance hybrid of 5 structures. That is, where did you find that maximum electron density and that structure means ortho and the para position. The ortho and para position to the NH2 group becomes center of the high electron density. So thus NH2 group is ortho and para directing and a powerful activating group. So that first bromination reaction. The aniline react with bromine water at room temperature to give white precipitate, that is 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. The reaction is aniline react with bromine water, 3 moles of bromine water, that is to form 2,4,6 tribromo aniline Br. So here ortho and para directing bromine group and 3HBr. So this is 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. Here the main problem encountered during the electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic amine is that their very high reactivity. The substitution tends to occur ortho and para, that is ortho and para position. If you have the prepare that mono substituted aniline derivative, how can you that activating groups of the NH2 group can be controlled? So this can be done by the protecting the NH2 group by acetylation with the acetic anhydride, then carrying out the desired substitution followed by the hydrolysis of the substituted amide to the substituted amine. Look at the reaction. See aniline in the presence of the acetic anhydride CH3CO twice O and the pyridine to form acetanilide. Acetanilide formula is NH C double bond O CH3. So this is N-phenyl ethanamide or acetanilide. Again, this react with bromine water and presence of acetic acid CH3COOH to form a bromo aniline, that is so gives a major product, right? Bromo acetanilide, that is N major product C double bond O CH3, and again treatment with acid or base, to get, this is the major one, to get bromo aniline. This 4-bromo aniline or para-bromo aniline. Then the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen, the acetanilide, interact with the oxygen atom due to the resonance. See the resonance like this, N lone pair of electron, carbon, double bond O, oxygen, CH3 in acetanilide, this. So here the lone pair of electron, the oxygen, and this, look at this, and this bond is shifted here. So what happened? This having the resonance hybrid. So N plus they have a positive charge because of the lone pair electron is loose, and it will double bond and C single bond is O minus, then CH3, so that they have a resonance hybrid. Hence the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen less available for donation of to the benzene ring by the resonance. So therefore the activating effect on NHCOCH3 is NHCOCH3 group is less than the amino group. So the nitration reaction. So nitration, the direct nitration of aniline yields oxidation products in addition to the nitro derivatives. Moreover, in the strongly acidic medium, aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is a meta-directing. So that is why beside the ortho and para derivatives, significant amount of the meta derivatives also formed. So reaction is aniline, concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and the temperature is 288 Kelvin. Then you will get three product, that is ortho meta and para product, that is NH2 NO2 nitro para nitroaniline, meta nitroaniline and ortho nitro aniline. Here this para nitroaniline is 51% of the product yield, and the ortho nitroaniline is 2% of yield, and this is 47% of yield you will be getting. Then however, by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation reaction with acetic anhydride, the nitration reaction can be controlled and the para nitro derivative can be obtained as the major product. See the reaction. Aniline, presence of acetic anhydride, the pyridine to form acetanilide, NHCOCH3. So this is acetanilide. Again the presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid, nitric acid and 288 Kelvin to form para nitro acetanilide. This is para nitro acetanilide. Again the presence of acid or base to form, you will get para nitroaniline. So this is para nitro acetanilide, this is para nitroaniline. Then sulfonation reaction. So sulfonation reaction, that is aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with the sulfuric acid at 453 to 473 Kelvin temperature, they produces para amino benzene sulfonic acid. This is also called sulfanilic acid, that is the major product. Look the reaction, the aniline react with sulfuric acid, let's concentrate sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. So anilinium hydrogen sulfate is NH plus NH3 plus HSO4 minus. So this is anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Again the temperature range is 455 to 473 Kelvin to form sulfanilic acid. Yes, NH2 SO3 H. So this is sulfanilic acid. On rearranging this, that is get zwitter ion. This is called NH3 plus and SO3 minus. So this hydrogen just rearranging this. This is called zwitter ion. The aniline does not undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction because of the salt formation of the anilinium chloride, the Lewis acid, which is used as a catalyst. So due to this, nitrogen of aniline acquires positive charge and hence act as a strong deactivating group for the further reaction. Next is a diazonium salt. So the diazonium salts have a general formula, that is RN2 plus X minus. That is here the R for aryl group, that is this R stands for a aryl group, and X may be chloride ion, bromide ion, or HSO4 hydrogen sulfate ion, or BF4 minus, like this. So they are named by suffixing the diazonium to the name of the parent hydrocarbon from which they are formed. So followed by the name of the anion, such as the chloride, hydrogen sulfide, like this. Then the N2 plus, the N2 plus group is called diazonium, that is diazonium group. For example, C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. So this is benzene diazonium chloride, and C6H5 N2 plus HSO4 minus, known as that benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. So the primary aliphatic amines forms highly unstable alkyl diazonium salts. Then the primary aromatic amines forms arene diazonium salts, which are stable for a short time in a solution at low temperatures, that is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Then the stability of the arene diazonium ion explained on the basis of the resonance hybrid. So look at the resonance. So this having already this having positive charge, and this nitrogen having the lone pair of electron. So what happens means this bond is shifted here, and to stabilize the see here positive charge is created here, so that the resonance structure is, so positive charges are created here. Then N double bond N and this bond is shifted here, so that's N double bond N minus. Then again this this positive charge is stabilized by this bond, so that you will get the next resonating hybrid. Positive charges created here, and N double bond N, here the positive charge, and here also this nitrogen also having the positive charge, and sorry here. Then this again this positive charge is stabilized by this bond, so we will get then like this. So again double bond, positive charge, double bond, negative charge. So again here the positive charge is created. Now the stabilization of the positive charge, again what happened, again the shifted of this and this, you will get again you will get the N plus triple bond N, so like this. So this is the resonance hybrid of the arene diazonium ion. Okay student, thank you.